Today, Jed, is your first quarter test in spelling 2. Okay? Write the spelling, then spell it for me. You understand?
Okay,
Number 1, do.
D-O.
Number 2, da. Number
T-H-E.
Number 3, no.
No. N-O.
Number 4, said. Jane said.
S-A-I-D.
Okay, number 5, says. Mike says yes. Says.
S-A-Y-S.
Okay, number 6, melt. Melt ice. Melt.
M-E-L-T.
Okay, next, soft. Soft bunny.
S-O-F-T.
Number 8, just. Just for you.
J-U-S-T.
Okay, number 9, spell. Spell your name. Spell.
S-P-E-L-L.
Next, mile. 1 mile.
M-I-L-E.
Number 11, will. I will go. Will.
W-I-L-L.
Number 13, make. Make the cake. Make.
Ate, make.
Spell for me, make.
M-A-K-E.
Number 13, goes. Goes. He goes home.
Ate, goes.
Next, number 14, tell.
Ate, tell.
Spell.
T-E-L-L.
Number 15, rope.
R-O-P-E.
Okay, read.
Do, the, no, said, says, melt, soft, just, spell, mile, will, make, goes, tell, whoa.
Very good. Did you understand?
Yes.